Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't already know me, I'm Emma Line, and today we're going to be upcycling my jean trouser. And this is how the trouser looks like. It's very big, so I'm planning to recreate a Pinterest design. It's the top and the back is backless but has a rope. And also to create my pattern, I used my body block for it. This is the back pattern and this is the front pattern alongside my princess dart. That was how I was able to create my pattern for it, and this is the back pattern. That's the trick I use whenever I don't want to use my dress form to create my patterns. I use my body block to create my patterns. And this is like one of the fastest ways to create patterns. So then I have to create your body blocks and you can go from there. I just hope it is able to be enough, and I think there are going to be like some joining on the fabric because yeah, I'm upcycling it and I'm not working with enough fabric, just little, so I have to manage everything. So let's get to work. So to start, I'm going to be ripping off the jeans. I'm going to be taking everything apart. Now that I've already taken off my pockets and everything, I'm going to be folding it in half. I'm going to fold the back jean in half. And I'm going to be cutting up my fabric. I'm going to be adding my allowance to it. Now I'm going to stitch this side together. I'm going to take them in and stitch them. I'll first serge them, then I'm going to stitch them down like this. I'm going to be cutting my princess darts. I'm going to add allowance to it. And I'm going to cut the back. Now that I've already stitched everything together, as you can see here, I'm going to be adding my princess darts to it. I'll be pinning them and I'm going to be adding them. So I'm going to be sewing them and I'm going to be top stitching them the way I did this side. Now that I'm done with my front piece, as you can see, I sewed it on top of the jean. See that? Now that I'm done, I'm going to be adding my back piece to my front piece. I'm going to add the necklines together. I'm going to add it together and I'm going to sew. I'm going to do the same thing for this side. I'm also going to take in the I'm also going to take it in like this. I'm going to sew it on top like this. So now that I've done this side, you can see I already took it in. Now I'm going to serge the neckline and then take it in the way I took this one in, and I'm going to sew on top like twice round. And now I'm going to be sewing my waistline and also be taking it in like this. Now you can see that I have already tacked this side. This is the side I've done that. Now for the neck piece, it is long and I want to add this to the back, so I'm going to cut it short. This. Now I'm going to serge this side, the armhole. I'm going to take it in. I'm also going to sew it down twice the way I did this side. And then I'm going to serge like this. I'm going to take this side in. I'm going to sew twice like this. I'm also going to take this side in. And I'm also going to sew twice like this. So now you can see I have completed it. You can see the armhole. See everywhere. See it's completed everything. And now I created a loop, 2 loops. So now I'm going to be adding, you can see I've already added my hook to this. Now I'm going to be adding it to the top. I'm going to be sewing it like this, facing up. I'm going to be stitching it down. I'm going to be stitching this one facing down. Now that I've done the side, I'm going to serge the bottom, serge the hem side, and also create 2 lines. I cut out my belts, what I have here. I'm going to attach all of them together, serge here, fold over, sew twice. And now I'm going to attach my belt to it. I'm going to attach it to this side. I'm going to sew. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I'm done with the top. As you can see, this is how it looks on me after styling. This is the front and this is the back of the top. You can see how it's given the way I want it to give according to the picture. You can see that. And yeah, I use my body block to create the pattern, so you can try using yours too. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment and share and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorial and everything fashion about me or my fashion style. Also, don't forget to follow me on IG and TikTok at emmaline_fatherhenny for more of my content and my upcycling. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Bye.